Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are with the e30. I've not done much on it recently because it has been cold. So basically just going to give you a quick update on what we're going to do. It's a really simple thing. Obviously this is where the gearbox cowling fits on. You've got a little thread. Notice some rust on this, so we're going to cut this section out, weld a little patch in, just show you how we're doing it and see how it goes. Right guys, as we've said before, always remember, goggles and gloves. Let's get down to it. Right, that is the offending item fully removed. Right, so as you can see, got a new plate cut out. Fits in there reasonably nicely. Almost ready to weld. Get this clamped up properly with a couple of clamps. Obviously need to refix the little thready bit in the middle. Let's get on with it. Right, as we can see, the offending item, this little piece of metal here, slightly rusty, cut out, in the bin. New piece of metal welded in, needs a little bit of tidying up, still got our lug on it. There we go, she's on the road to repair. As always, like and subscribe, bloody freezing out here, enjoy.